Hey guys, it's me, and we're going to play this game on what they call Pixel Gun 3D. And if you don't know that this game, I'm already a champion of, like, I'm already a pro in playing this game because I'm already at Armadant League. I had maybe I have a kill rate of 1.71. My total kills is 2,812. I had to admit it, it's a good stats. I had good stats right here. Very, very good stats. And this is my character. This is me. If you fought me, if you had a chance to fight me, and go ahead. Don't hesitate. Come play with me if you wanted. And please drop a like if you want to continue this series, the Pixel Gun series, or comment down below if you on what comment down below on what game do you want to play for the next for the next series, like maybe other types of games like Roblox or anything like what. But for now, I'm going to continue Pixel Gun. I'm going to start Pixel Gun as my first series. Now, where should we play? My XP level and my trophies are pretty high. My XP level is nearly going to rank up. Maybe it's just that. Oh, in my XP is just I needed 2 experience points. 6 experience points to level up to level 22. 21. So let's play in snipers. Let's find the snipers map. There you go. I really want to play in this game because it's already my expertise. By the way, today it's already November 2. I might be having classes tomorrow at January 2. Today is January 2 and I might have classes tomorrow, January 3. So I might upload maybe a vlog or a game that I'm going to record at school, but I don't know why or what time exactly am I going to record it. But for now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to record more on Pixel Gun because oh my goodness, because Pixel Gun is my expert game. Is he glitching out? So I'm going to play. I mean, we're going to fight. Oh yeah, kill him. Kill the ego. And oh my goodness, that guys, players here in this game are really dang awesome. Oh my god, players here are so good, so good in playing this game. Now we lost. Nah, that's fine. I had 3,000 more trophies to spare. Why not? Let's try again. Let's try again. Now we're at the. Now we're at the red. Forgot what we are. What's our first color a while ago? Maybe it's red also or it's blue. Already forgot. And so kill ya. Gotcha. Wait, did he quit? There's someone quit. I don't know exactly who. If it's our group mate or it's our enemy. frustrated. Oh, seriously? Seriously speaking, bro. What did he use? Did he use a special potion or what? Got him. Please don't kill me now. Oh my goodness. I had a marksman. Where's the extra lives at? No, 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 don't kill me. Don't kill me. Why do you have to do that? Why? Oh my god. Where are these people at? People here are so dang annoying. I don't know what's happening. I mean, maybe. Oh no. Oh no, there's two people there. There's two people there. There's two people there. Don't fight me. Don't you dare. Gotcha. Triple kill. Scope. Nah. I died again? Seriously speaking, bro. I died again. Now he's going through our base. Where's that guy going? Where's that dude going? Oh my god, I'm bleeding. What? Gotcha, you died. You just got slain. You just got slain. Where is that noob? Where is that ugly noob? There you are. No, many people shooting me. Many people shooting me. Where is that dude? Where did he go? His line is up there. Where did... Oh, there you are. He's following me all along. Oh, really, bro? Seriously speaking. Where is this guy? What is this guy doing? Why is he so good? No, gotcha in the head, bro. He's so slow. We're winning at 17 points. Victory. What? Only +4? Are you kidding me? My god, that guy has more. Oh wait, we're battling. What's the level of that guy again? That level 1. Oh wait, I leveled up. I'm at 21. This is my first achievement. I mean, my 21st achievement. I had 50 coins, 13 gems, and +1 health. We're battling a level 17 and what? And he's dying. And he's going to die. He's going to die. Right here, right now. Oh really? Where are you going, bro? Where are you? Where on earth you are going? Where are you going, bro? What the? What is this guy even doing? Glitch. Can't walk through the sand. Glad that my weapon is a wall shot. Can just shoot it through the wall and kill somebody. Hey Captain America, what are you doing? Oh, he's using a poison gun. Poison bullet gun thing, whatever it's called. So that's what the poison ball is for. Oh, you're using a charge shot? Okay, fine. Unfair battle, eh? Hey, Captain America. What are you doing? Oh my god, the other guy. Oh, Hukui. What is his name? I don't care. Ah, no. This guy is a total noob. This guy is so good. This guy is so good. A while ago, that Captain America dude, he's trying to kill me with a pistol. With the pixel gun. This one. Hey dude, you had a golden armor. So I can one shot you in the head. Parkouring in it. I am a level 12. Oh my god. Glad that I have a good, very good, very good pet. Going to upgrade my pet later, or buy a serious, a beautiful dog. Going to buy. That dude killed Captain America. This guy is wearing diamond. He's using a freaking noob gun. The sniper rifle. He's using that one. Stop moving, bro. See? He used a sniper rifle. Good snipering. Good play, bro. GG, guys. GG to you. GG. We won. Oh my god, I didn't expect that I had 14 kills.
Hey, Tay.
Yes.
Hey, Talin.
Pa.
Dapat ka muna dito. Tumama kasi tindahan, tingnan mo. Naglamang mo lang sa nanay mo tapos